sound into light now. To light, lost in sound into light.
Dear friends, yoga is not a religion. It is the way of living that aim towards a healthy mind in a healthy body. Man is a physical, mental, and spiritual being. Yoga helps to promote a balanced development of all the three. Other forms of physical exercise like aerobics assure only physical well being, and it also promotes self healing, enforces the personal power, and also helps to live with a greater awareness. हाँ फ्रेंड्स, शरीर मन और आत्मा को नियंत्रित करने में योग मदद करता है। शरीर और मन को शांत करने के लिए यह शारीरिक और मानसिक अनुसंधान का एक संतुलन बनता है। यह तनाव और चिंता को प्रबंधन करने में भी सहायता करता है।
इस बात की खुशी है कि हमारे स्कूल की एक छात्रा रचना भोसले बेंगलोर में नेचुरोपैथी और यौगिक साइंस की शिक्षा ले रही है। उनसे एक मुलाकात।
Hello, sir.
Rachana, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Rachana, today is 24 June.
Yes, sir.
Actually, today is International Yoga Day.
Right, sir.
And on the behalf of this International Yoga Day, many peoples from our nation, they celebrated that Yoga Day.
Yes, sir.
Only staying at home.
Correct, sir.
That's actually change is a law of nature. Okay.
Yeah.
Some
Yes.
changes are beneficial for mankind as well as environment. But some changes are dangerous for us. Now all peoples from our country as well as other nation, they are familiar with the changes. Actually, these are due to corona.
Yes.
And to face the problems which are created due to corona, yoga it plays a very crucial role in our life.
Yes, correct.
Yes. Rajana, firstly, I would like to congratulate you because as a student of Saraswati Vidyalaya Koregaon, you choose a different track for your career.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
First,
Yeah.
just you have to tell me about your career, and after that, just you have to tell me about the importance of yoga.
Okay, sir.
Just tell.
Sir, I chose this as a career because I was really interested in yoga,
Yeah.
but I got to for this course, which is together naturopathy and yoga,
Yeah.
which includes mainly all the treatments, therapies
Yeah.
regarding nature, law of nature.
Yeah.
So I thought it is something different and which I have really concerns about because we have seen that all the allopathic medicine not good for our health for, in long term.
Yeah.
I chose this career. I'm really grateful because I think it has developed me in all the ways, physically, mentally, and also spiritually.
Okay.
And this is not just a degree, but I think it is a way of life.
Yeah.
Because yoga is not just it is not just for celebrating yoga day,
Yeah. Yeah.
but I think it will be our way of life.
Yes.
So this day was started by UN, United Nations,
Yeah.
and since 6 years it's been celebrated.
Yeah.
It was mainly taken into consideration for this day because I think it is the longest of northern hemisphere,
Yeah.
and yoga, I think it embodies unity of mind and body,
Yes.
and also it is important to have harmony between thoughts and our actions,
Yeah.
and yoga mainly talks about that. Yoga has a holistic approach towards health, not just like our physical body,
Yeah.
but all the aspects of the mind. Because I think health, also WHO tells like health is in coordinates with physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional.
Yeah.
And yoga mainly talks about spiritual basically.
Yeah.
Spiritual not just means about our God, but it means about our overall health,
Yeah.
like reaching towards a goal
Yeah.
by doing actions.
Yeah.
And yoga, I think it's not just like we have to perform asana,
Yeah.
but it's like we should accept it as at a mental level also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I have seen it since I have enrolled in this BNY degree that
Yeah.
positivity of mind and positivity in thoughts has really great effect in our day-to-day activities.
Yeah.
And diseases mainly occur in our body because of stress.
Yeah.
So yoga mainly releases our stress
Yeah.
day-to-day activities while we do. So we have lots of stress. We see around that people like they go behind just work
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
just don't care about their mental health or emotions, feelings.
Yeah.
But if they'll just sit in a posture, in
Yeah.
any posture, and if they'll see the thoughts going on,
Yeah.
and if they'll calm down their mind and body, it's
Yeah.
enough. Yoga just talks about your mind, calming down your mind.
Yeah. Yeah.
If a person doesn't perform asana, and if he just performs pranayama or meditation daily,
Yeah.
or even just like looking towards your thoughts daily while doing activities,
Yeah.
it's just enough.
Yeah.
Yoga only talks about these small things, achieving small goals in your life,
Yeah.
and I think it's really important nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Actually, Rachana, yoga is the idea for relaxation,
Yes.
and practicing yoga it offers a solution of a stress as well as depression.
Yes.
Many incidents just we see day to day, like a Sushant, like we can say other also celebrities.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, due to depression, we can say they do different things.
Yes.
But actually, that we can say that yoga or we can say meditation, it gives an idea about we can say how we have to fight stress as well as we can say how we can
Yes.
find peace. Okay.
True. Very true. Yes, sir.
And also, yoga creates a beautiful temple. Na? As if we consider about we can say our mind. Okay.
Mm.
If a body is a temple of mind, our body is a temple of mind, and yoga creates we can say beautiful temple.
Yes.
And about yoga, we can tell like that. We can say many times yes, when we are tired. Okay.
Mm.
We can say shower, we can say refreshes us. Okay.
Yes.
And in the same way, we can say that practicing yoga, we can say gives we can say relaxation to the mind and also we can say body.
Mm.
Okay, that is very important for us. Okay, Rachana, we can say the course which you we can say you do, which is equivalent to MBBS.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what is your we can say next aim?
Can you repeat once again, sir?
Yes, what is your next aim? Yes, what you are going to do
Okay,
after? Yes, yes.
Sir, actually, this like aspect, mainly I'm going to first experience in the different colleges and hospitals,
Yes.
as it's important to have confidence on your system, and which I'm gaining through.
Yes.
But first, if you see the treatments and the cases front to front, like if they are getting benefits, you'll get the confidence on your system. And firstly, for that, I'm going to experience in different colleges and hospitals about the treatment, and I'm after that, I think I'll try to set up a clinic.
Yes.
But I think it will take time.
Yes.
Because here it's important for us to create awareness about the system, because we have people about naturopathy. They know about yoga, but naturopathy lacks awareness.
Yes.
So first, for gaining their confidence, I need to create awareness. After that, I'll definitely come towards our like village area where I need to uh, take people
Yeah.
into confidence, and then I'll try to treat them
Okay.
because it's really beneficial.
Yes.
Until in these 3 years, I have seen for
Okay.
many patients.
Yes, yes. Rachana, actually, we can say from we can say kids to up to we can say elders, they have to tackle many problems.
Yes.
And we can say many tensions. Actually, it depends on us. Yes, which tensions we have to take. Just you have to tell me yes, which thing just we have to consider about. We can say to give relief from all stresses. We can say or problems, etc. What you can
Uh,
tell to we can say this one.
Okay. Mainly, actually, I'll tell one thing from yoga only, which spiritually, many sages have explained,
Yes.
even in Mahabharata, that when we do any action,
Yes.
while doing action, we get stressed because due to think about its fruit, like after doing action, what will be the condition?
Yes.
If it will
Yes.
be the good or bad.
Okay.
I think in Mahabharata they have told like uh, when you do action, don't think about fruit.
Okay.
If
Okay.
you think about fruit, it is the cause of stress.
Yes.
If
Yes.
you think about just the action and it will forget it,
Yes.
I think it's all in our mind that we just pressurize us in the race
Yes.
of our competition of
Yes.
this era, and it's common.
Yes.
But if we'll try to
Yes.
just tell them when the children or elders
Yes.
to concentrate on the act what they're doing and
Yes. Yes.
not about others,
Okay.
because nowadays children just concentrate on others, or we even parents
Yes.
their children is doing something and ours is not. If
Yes.
I think they will be more confident if we let them do their own thing
Yes.
than just pressurize them in this race of our competition.
Yes. 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 Actually, yes, you are right, Rachana. Because you can say life is a race.
Yes.
Just only just we have to concentrate what we have to do. Just we don't have
Yes,
to
right.
just, what will happen. Just don't think about that. Just only we have to do. And that we have to do honestly.
Yes,
If we do it honestly, definitely we can get a fruit.
yes, right, sir.
Now, again, I'm going to tell yes, we are proud of you because yes, you are doing that. We can say course confidently. All the best for your career. Thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you so much.